Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a charged phone, stable connection, and privacy. Open Trust Wallet and go straight to Settings, then Wallets. You want to locate the specific wallet entry before touching recovery functions because selecting the wrong wallet can confuse the next steps. Once you've found the wallet, tap the three dots or gear icon to reveal wallet options. Make sure you do not input random phrases. This ensures you are ready to access recovery tools safely and deliberately. Next, select Export or Show Recovery Phrase and complete authentication, biometrics, or your passcode, so Trust Wallet will display the seed. Carefully copy the 12 or 24 words in the exact order onto paper or a metal backup. Avoid screenshots and cloud storage because they're vulnerable. Once written, Trust Wallet will usually ask you to confirm by selecting words in order. Do that slowly and check each word's spelling. This step ensures you actually possess the phrase and minimizes human error. Finally, secure your phrase. Place copies in 2 separate, secure physical locations and consider using a fireproof or waterproof backup. Once done, never type the phrase into websites or share it. If you cannot find the phrase, pause, check other devices, paper notes, or any encrypted backups before trusting services that offer recovery. If the phrase is correct but import fails, recheck word order and spelling, then try wallet import again. For persistent issues, contact Official Trust Wallet support through the app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.